Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn GCP with Mahesh. Today we'll explore one of the requirements of TerramEarth case study. So this is our part 4 video in the series. Today we'll discuss the solution concept where there are around 20 million TerramEarth vehicles. It could be tractors or any heavy lifting vehicles, and they generate almost like 120 columns of data or fields of data per second, which is really huge, I would say. And all this data are currently stored in the local device itself or in the local vehicle itself. And when they reach the service center connects to that port and they extract the information, and they are also able to fine tune the vehicle based on how the accelerator has been used, how they are using the brake. All those information they can fine tune it. That's what it indicates in the first para. And the second para indicates around 1% of this 20 million vehicles are connected to a cellular network, maybe a 3G, 4G, or a 5G network. That's what they are connected to. And they are able to send the same 120 fields of data with 24 hours of operation. With this amount of information, the vehicles are generating almost 1% of the vehicle is generating 9 terabytes of data per day, which is really huge. The moment you see such thing, the first thing which would strike us, they are talking about big data. That is the key here. And since they are connected, the vehicles are connected to internet and they are sending information. The second thing which would strike us, they are talking about IoT. So the moment you hear IoT, the one thing which should strike you is IoT Core, which is one of the product offering in GCP. So this architecture resonates very well with what they have talked. So this is available in IoT Core documentation, where you see vehicles, any sensors. It could be, in our case, it is tractors or anything. So for a minute, just ignore this part, the edge device. For a moment, assume you don't have that information. From the tractor, the data comes to your IoT core for that 1% of information which is connected to a cellular network. It reaches IoT core. From IoT core, the information will be pushed to PubSub. And from PubSub, if you want to do a processing on those data, go for data flow. And since it is streaming, better write it in Java, Apache Beam Java pipeline. From your data flow, prefer using BigQuery, because based on our part 3 video and part 2 video, we understand they are using data warehouse and it is BigQuery. So don't go for big table in this case. So IoT Core, PubSub, data flow, BigQuery. That is what we have seen so far. And you need to fine tune the vehicles, right? How they are using it, so that next time maybe uh, they may not come with the same issue, or they may have an improvement in their vehicle. So for that, machine learning could be a good choice. You have tons and tons of data here, more than petabytes, like every day terabytes of information are generated. Apply some machine learning algorithm here. So you can use a cloud ML engine here, do some machine learning, and give that as an output, predict it. So or fine tune information, send it back to your data flow, from there to your IoT core, and IoT core can update that information in the vehicle. So that's what they indicate here. This part, this is that line indicates like upgrading the field, so that next time the vehicles work efficiently. That's what I would say. And IoT Core plays a major role here because it can connect to multiple devices and can also manage those devices. In this case, devices are our vehicles. So, hope the information is useful here. So, that's the information which I liked to share with you. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a video on a specific GCP concept. I'm happy to do that. Thanks for watching.